we have here is the infamous check engine light. So there are three versions of this light. One that just kind of comes on and it's just static, one that is flashing, and one that turns red. And so it kind of gets progressively worse. If it's flashing, I would advise you to kind of contact your mechanic to find out why it's flashing. If it's red, immediately stop and get your car towed to the mechanic. If it's just on, it could be a variety of issues. Maybe your engine is not getting enough air, maybe there's a certain leak, but generally you can still drive with that. In all cases though, I would recommend you to contact your mechanic to get it checked out. That's never something that you want to have lingering around. It is still possible to drive around with a checked engine light. Just make sure that you pay attention to maybe smells or sounds that your car is making, and so that you can pass that information on to your mechanic so that they know where to look. Okay, so what we have here is the battery alert light. Generally, this is caused by maybe a faulty cable or something wrong with the electrical components of your car. Maybe the alternator is going bad. The alternator is what charges your battery as you're driving. So when that goes bad, your battery will actually slowly start to deplete, and it is possible that your car can just stop in the middle of a road. But before that, you'll see a lot of warning signs. Maybe your headlights will start to dim, they're not as bright. You'll see that maybe your dashboard might be flickering, maybe your radio might be on and off, cutting in and out. And so you'll see a lot of these warning signs before it gets to that point, but make sure when you do see it to contact your local mechanic.